Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 20C of chapter 20, mensuration. One question is written here, question number 2. In this question, the base of a parallelogram measures 1 meter 60 cm. Base is 1 meter 60 cm and its height is 75 cm. Find its area in meter square. Students, given length of the parallelogram, that means base of parallelogram equal to 1 meter 60 cm. Change it into meter, so 1.60 meter, and height of the parallelogram, height between two parallel sides is 75 cm. 75 cm. Change it into meter, so 75 by 100 equal to 3. 25 3 is 25 and 25 for the 100. That means 3 by 4 meter. Now, therefore, of the area of the parallelogram equal to base into height. Base into height equal to 1.60 meter into 3 by 4 meter. 1.60 divided by 4. 4 for the 16. So 0.40 equal to 0.40 multiplied by 3. 4 3 are 12. 1.2 meter into meter square. 1.2 meter square will be the answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4 of exercise 20C. In this question, find the height of a parallelogram whole area is 54 cm square and base is 15 cm square. In this question, we have to find the height of a parallelogram and given area of parallelogram and base also. So, area equal to 54 cm square and base equal to 15 cm. Therefore, height equal to area by base equal to 54 cm square divided by 15 cm. Cm square cancel by cm and 3 times 3 5 is 15 and 18 3 is 54 equal to 18 by 5 cm. 18 divided by 5, 5 to the 10, 18 to the 36, 36 by 10, 36 by 10 cm equal to 3.6 cm. 36 divided by 10, decimal after 1 digit, so 3.6 cm answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7 of exercise 20C. In this question, the adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 15 cm and 8 cm. 15 cm and 8 cm. If the distance between the longer sides is 4 cm, so find the distance between the shorter sides. I draw a parallelogram ABCD. Adjacent side is 15 cm and 8 cm. Distance between longer side H equal to 4 cm and distance between shorter side, suppose capital H, let the distance between shorter sides be capital H. According to question and Y formula, area of the parallelogram equal to base into height. That implies area of parallelogram according to shorter side. So base BC, that means 8 cm into height is capital H equal to base into height. That means according to longer side. So base is 15 cm into height is 4 cm. That implies capital H equal to 15 cm into 4 cm divided by 8 cm. Cm to cm and 4 to the 8. 15 by 2 cm. 15 by 2 cm, that means 7.5 cm. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 8 of exercise 20C. Today it is last question also. In this question, the height of a parallelogram is 1/3 of its base. If the area of the parallelogram is 108 cm square, find its base and height. Let base be x. Let base be x then height equal to 1/3 of its base. That means x by 3. According to question, area of the parallelogram equal to 108 cm square. That implies base into height. Base into height equal to 108 cm square. That implies base x into x by 3 equal to 108. That implies x square by 3 equal to 108 cm square. That implies x square equal to 108 into 3. Here 3 is divided. By transposition is changed into multiply. So 108 into 3. That implies x square equal to 324. That implies x equal to under root 324. That means 18 cm. Now find it is base equal to x equal to 18 cm. Answer. And height equal to x by 3 equal to 18 by 3 equal to 6 cm. Answer. Understand and write it. Friends, today your homework is solve exercise 20C. Thank you. That's all.